The Argentine Air Force, FAA, has ordered the permanent deployment of 3 IA-63 Pampa III Block II light fighter jets at Rio Gallegos Military Air Base. This deployment is to increase military presence and projection in the southern part of the region. To this end, the Argentine Ministry of Defense decided to rebuild X Air Brigade on a base close to the British Falkland Islands, Malvinas, where the Dassault Mirage III had operated. FAA Chief Brigadier General Xavier Julian said the unit would be the only brigade equipped with a wide range of air and reconnaissance assets, attack aircraft, transport aircraft, radars and artillery, as quoted by the Bulgarian military. In addition, the FAA is also expected to acquire Mi-171E multipurpose transport helicopters before the end of 2023 to support Antarctic logistics and military search and rescue roles. Apart from the aircraft based at Ava Brigade 6 stationed at Tandil, personnel and equipment were also allocated. No longer as a unit deployment like it did a few times last year, but will be made permanent. Regarding the IA-63 Pampa, this light trainer fighter jet is produced by FADE, formerly FMA. The first generation of Pampa itself was designed in the 1980s with the help of the Dornier factory from Germany. The light combat version of the IA-63 Pampa III Block II has adopted the new RPA-170M radar manufactured by INVAP to enhance its surveillance capabilities. The aircraft is also equipped with a digital cockpit and data link with virtual avionics, EVA, and is equipped with a head-up display, HUD. As weapons, the IA-63 Pampa III Block II carries a 30mm gun and 2 Colibri pods under the wings which can be fitted with 12.7mm machine guns, rocket tubes and bombs.